Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ghost eggs in All-Star Tower Defense. These special eggs are absolutely essential for making your 5-star units even stronger through Ascension. To start your journey, head directly into the Challenges game mode. Within Challenges, focus on the Daily Challenge, specifically on the Expert difficulty, as this is where you'll find the highest probability of obtaining the coveted Ghost 3 eggs. Once you're in the Challenges menu, make sure to select the Daily Challenge and set its difficulty to Expert. Many players find that Innovation Island is the easiest map to clear on Expert mode, making it ideal for consistent farming. While not always guaranteed, Expert mode challenges frequently offer a solid 30% chance to drop Ghost 3 eggs, so keep trying. It's important to know that Ghost eggs come in various tiers, such as Ghost 1, Ghost 2, and Ghost 3. For ascending your most powerful 5-star units, you will specifically need Ghost 3 eggs. This ascension process is a game changer, as it dramatically increases your unit's stats and overall combat effectiveness, making them much stronger in battles. To maximize your Ghost egg farming, make it a habit to consistently run the daily challenges on Expert difficulty. Always bring your strongest units and employ a strategic approach to clear these challenges efficiently. Remember, gathering enough Ghost 3 eggs for multiple ascensions will take some dedication, so keep grinding and you'll soon have a powerful roster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.